Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Stitching with Sue here, also known as Stampin' with Sue, and now Unboxing with Sue. Let me grab a drink. So if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to stay till the end to see if this is something you'd be interested in. If so, I would appreciate if you'd hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and next to the subscribe button, there'll be little bells that you can click on. If you click on all, then you will receive notifications when I upload a new video. So I sometimes am contacted by companies. I have my laptop open here so I get all the information correct to review their products. And I stick to crafty things and things that I know. So this company's name was called One Day Savings. And I'm reading through the email, make sure I get it right. And they asked me if I would review some of their products. So they're having they're launching a new activity called Spring Welfare Delivery. So they're also giving me a discount code. It says, tell your followers about our Spring Welfare Delivery in my video. Put the event information in the video description field. So there will be down below where it says show more. If you click on that, you will get all the information. So the discount code is SPRING5, and $5 can be enjoyed when placing an order. And it's March 1st through April 31st, 2023. And there are 500 coupons to give out, and it's first come, first serve. And it's 1 coupon per person. All right, so I think I covered all of that. I will copy and paste all that down below, and also their online store, so you can check them out as well. So they told me to pick out $10 worth of product. And I'm here to follow through with an unboxing video of the items that I chose. Okay, that's it for that. It came fairly quickly considering, you know, it's, I believe, coming from overseas. So many of you know I enjoy diamond painting. And I feel like diamond painting had a lot to do with some of my recovery from after I had my craniotomy surgery, with as far as the hand and eye coordination. And if you're not familiar with diamond painting, I'm sorry for all the crinkling, but I got a crinkle to open. But it is sort of a form of cross stitch, but it's a sticky background, and it has little symbols or numbers or letters depending on how they do it. And there's little beads, all different colors, and the bead color coordinates with the sticker paper, and you complete a whole picture or craft or whatever covering the entire surface. So the items I chose were something a little bit different. I'm looking to see if I can open it up. I will put also the links down below to the items that I chose. So if it was something that you were interested in, you certainly can check it out. So let me see if it says on here what it is. No, it doesn't, but I kind of chose something different than an actual painting. I chose 2 other items. So let me show you. Well, it's a little bent, but I think it'll be okay. So these are, oh, and it has a nice leathery kind of background. These are bookmarks. Okay, let me open this up here for you. So these are bookmarks. So this was one item, and they're, of course, gnomes. And it looks like it comes with 2 tassels for the bookmarks. It also comes with this little these tools. So this is a little tray, and this is a little it kind of has a hole at the end, and what you do is you take that and stick it into this substance here. I'm not even really sure what it is. It's kind of not really a glue, but like a sticky substance. So it makes the end of this sticky, so you're able to go and pick up the different color beads. Now here are the beads. And let me just, so I'm excited to do this. So when you peel this off and peel it back, see how sticky that is? Now the sticky is only where the different symbols are. And I think this will be really cute. I'm excited about it. And I'm excited about the fun tassels. Let's open that up so you can see. So maybe, you know, maybe it's kind of like the diamond painting kind of took off like it did with the paint and sip kind of events. And you may have a lot of pictures already on your wall. I like to change my pictures all the time, so I don't have a problem with that. But here it has a little, almost looks like a flower, and real soft little bookmark tassel to put on the end of the bookmark. So I think that's real nice. I didn't recall it having that. And these are the beads that go with this. And oops, let me show you. See, they have numbers. They're very sparkly too. So they have symbols on here, numbers and letters. And on here, usually there's a paper. I don't see a paper. Usually a paper comes with it, with the little symbols and what they go with. I guess you just have to, let me look closely here. Okay, so BD, there's number 2. Oh, okay, I see it. So here, oh no, they're all G. So they're numbered 1 through, well, it goes to F. 1 through, yeah, I'm confused. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it goes to A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, F. I guess there's no E. So you have to use the numbers with the symbols to fill in the areas. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So I will post a picture of these when they're completed. So this is going to take a little time. Make sure you use a well-lit area when you're doing this. When I'm doing the actual pictures, I use a light box behind me because that helps quite a lot to be able to see the numbers and letters. So, okay, so that is that. So that was one of the items I chose. So they're bookmarks. You get a set of 2. They're gnomes. This one has sunflowers. And this one is more for the fall with a pumpkin and that. So I thought they were cute. So that was one item I chose. And the other item is this one here. And this, I believe, is a hanging kind of sun catcher type thing. Oh boy. You really make it tough for you to get into, but I guess that's a good thing, right? All right, so let's open it. Does this say on it what it is? Made in China. No, it just has a barcode and whatnot. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So this, again, comes with a little tray, the little glue blob, and another tool. And also in here, it looks like it has some of the beads. Okay, I'm going to take this out. Okay, so these are already strung. And here's a chain for hanging. Okay, it's a little jumbled up, so I'll have to work on it. And then this, I would assume, hangs on the end. And here it is. It's a little gnome. Not sure if you can see that. Oh, here. This side is better. So it is kind of double-sided. Yeah, you do put, excuse me. excuse me, you do put beads on both sides because both sides are sticky. You peel that off. And again, here are your beads, and you just go by the numbers and the letters on the packet to fill up your little Nomi thing. So I think this is cool. And this, I have to figure out how this goes together. And let me see. I'll have to look at the picture online to see as to what it's supposed to look like, because I don't remember. It's been a few weeks. But that I'll have to work on, because that is a tangled mess from the shipping. So that, I'll have to work on that. I don't have the patience for it right now to do. But yeah, those are the 2 items that I had gotten from OneDaySavings.com. And like I said, if you're interested, go check out their website, www.onedaysaving.com. And you can check out what they have. And they are having a sale through April 31st, 2023. And there's the discount code you can use for Spring 5. I'm going to see if I can, let me click on their website here, see what comes up. Okay, so let me show you. Let me see if this is going to show up. Okay, if I hold it there. So this is their website, One Day Saving. And you can see they have quite a lot of different products on here. They have, here's the diamond painting. They have cross stitch, new arrival. Let's click on new arrival. And new arrival. So there are cross stitch paintings, pictures. There are DIY bags, clocks, cards, pillowcases, all kind of Christmas. Here's a lot of the diamond painting popular styles. They have from soup to nuts. They have a lot. And they even have, where did I see that? Under $4. So if you're on a budget, you can check out the under $4. So a lot of fun things. Oh, look, win an extra discount for your next purchase. But don't forget, I'm not going to click on that. I have the $5 coupon code that you can use when you place your next order. So yeah, definitely check them out, onedaysaving.com. And let's see what preferred kits are. Okay, so they have special shapes. They have different types of utility knives for diamond painting. Diamond painting tool, double-headed crayon drill pen. All kind of cute things. They even have like stickers. You can make stickers. You can make all sorts of things. And let me see, cross stitch. So they have all the different counts of the Aida cloth. And if you're into cross stitch, let's just click on cartoon, see what we get. All right, so here's different cartoons. Probably not the best one to choose, but yeah, different cartoons, different pictures. So these are all cross stitch. And there's cute little gnomes. Gnome Place Like Home. That's cute. And it's only $4.11. So I'm telling you, it's quite a bargain. So again, definitely check them out, One Day Saving. And to those of you at One Day Saving, I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to review some of your products and sending them to me. And yeah, I definitely am already starting a wish list of things that I want to complete once I finish up these projects. So thanks everyone for joining me. And like I said, just look down below where it says see more, and all the information will be posted down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Till next time, happy crafting.